so excited. Welcome back to my channel. You guys are gonna hear some construction. There's more construction going on, so that's what's happening in the background. But anyway, hey y'all, I miss y'all. Sorry about last week. I've been up and down with my health lately, so and then there's been a lot of moving parts and it's been a little bit hectic. So now I'm getting situated and I'm getting myself together, and now it's time to shoot another video. Hey you guys, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Airie and I'm on a zero-based budget, and I'm on a journey to becoming debt-free while still enjoying my life, still traveling, still doing what I need to do to have fun. And I am a business owner as well, so I will be showing that aspect of that here as well. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay y'all, so we're gonna start with my boyfriend. Y'all already know what it is. The good thing is he wants to start taking control of his finances. Woo, 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 woo. So I'm excited about him. So this will probably be the last video. Well, he wants to test the waters. He's starting to get more interested in the finances, so he's like excited to be on his own journey. So I'm excited for him. So this might be the last video where you see his finances, or we might do them later as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a cash stuffing video, y'all. So first things first is we are going to put ties. Again, if you guys don't know what ties is, it's 10% of our check that goes to our church. Savings is getting $300. One thing I like about May is you get an extra check, so I be trying to like hurry up with whatever we're going to do, our goals. I be stuffing for our goals so we can get those out the way, so I can just move on to saving. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 70, 80. 780. Oops. Emergency will not be getting anything this paycheck. Rent, we don't have to pay that. Wedding, gas, we'll be getting 50. This is gonna be a pretty easy stuff. Groceries. Is groceries getting anything? I don't think so. Spending won't be getting anything. Haircut won't be getting anything. So car maintenance won't be getting anything. Events will be getting 200, and I believe this is going to be fully stuffed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is fully stuffed. Family won't be getting anything. Travel won't be getting anything. Neither will holidays. New car, miscellaneous. Won't be getting anything. So Disneyland is going to get $740. This is all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He just kind of wants to. I'm missing a 50. I don't know what happened to that 50. We'll figure it out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 40. Our trip is coming up, and the Airbnb cost is coming up. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40. So 1840. And I don't know what I did. Did I accidentally put it in savings? I might have done that. but I'm gonna just, I think I did that wrong. Okay. And so, sometimes they stick together, so I want to make sure spinning. Oh, no, I did do it right. Okay, so this was supposed to go here. It's supposed to be 60. I fixed my mistake. I love when I do that. I've been moving so fast, I don't be paying attention. Okay, so okay, so now y'all, it's my turn. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with mine. So first things first, ties is getting 190, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh my gosh. Savings will be getting 200. Now I gotta build this up back up, y'all. So we are at 100, 200, 300, 400, 20. Not gonna touch this anymore. Emergency won't be getting anything. Business will be getting 108. 5, 6, 7. Oh, which reminds me, I have some things coming up, some things up my sleeve, y'all. I think you guys will be really excited about this. So don't forget to subscribe to the mailing list or the to get the updates about when I'll be launching my shop, because some things are coming into place. And yeah, you guys saw the dashboards, but we'll also have some other products that I'm excited to share with you. So just stay tuned. So we're at 1, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so groceries won't be getting anything. I have HelloFresh that's in my fridge, y'all. I ordered it by mistake. So there's that. So gas will be getting 50. Moving out, we'll be getting 200. We're back to saving now for this. We're starting out slow, but we'll pick it up soon. So right now we're at 5,200. Roth won't be getting anything. We'll pick this up soon too. Braca will be getting 150. So we are at 100, 200, 350, 40. I'm actually going to take this out because I need that to pay myself back. So we're at 350. Wedding won't be getting anything. Apple Card will be getting $100. Again, you guys, when I use my card, I only use it and I pay myself back immediately. So that way I get cash back. So we're at 1, 2, oh wait. We're at 100, 200, 300, 40, 50. It's a good way to just build credit, but also pay off, build credit and have another savings account. Like, yeah, I love that part. This one I haven't paid off yet, so this one I probably won't be using because there's no benefits to using. And this one's only getting 150. So we are at 100, 200, 300, and I'm going to take this to the bank and pay this off. Travel won't be getting anything. Car maintenance won't be getting anything this time. Car wash won't be, or dental. Disneyland will be getting 200. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So 390. So we're almost there. So 110 will be left to fill this. And that's gonna be, oh, did I miss? I think I missed a, nope. Okay, so then we're gonna go to the meat binder. Nails won't get anything, but hair will be getting 150. So we're at 100, 150, 200. Y'all, these binders sometimes do not like to lay flat. Like, lay flat, girl, lay flat. Lashes won't be getting anything. Spa won't be getting anything. I'm looking for an envelope, and I think I took it out. But we're just going to put it in here. So we're going to another trip in 95, 6, 7. This is for spiritual care. So I'm going to an event in September, and it's for spiritual care. It just helps heal. I'm a Christian, you guys, so I believe in God and the healing that he can do. I've witnessed it, so I always like to uplift myself with these kind of trips, just to like be who like God created me to be. I just want to make sure it's not in here because I think I took it out, and I think I remember taking it out, but I just want to double check. Yeah, I took it out. Okay, well, that can go there instead. Okay, now it's time for the savings challenge. So we are at May, and I remember last time that I didn't have the 5. So we are finishing off May. I don't want to count it, so I'm just going to put it in here. And there we go, y'all. We are done with May. We are breezing through this challenge. Next is going to be June. And I'm excited about that. Okay, y'all. Wait, what is this in the back of my note? I don't know what that is, but we are going to put it in here. And they have 5 in here. And then we're gonna put these ones in here. Okay, y'all. That is it. Okay, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. We will be saving for other things soon. I want to start branching out a little bit more when it comes to stuffing envelopes. So you'll see it as I rebudget. I'm going to rebudget again after July, because I just want to be I want to be more intentional with where my money goes, and not so much, you know, trip after trip. You know, like you have to be able to save. So a trip every now and then, but I have like 2 trips coming up. So I'm trying to knock them out the park so I can just focus on what's important, and we're almost done with that. So I'm excited. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Again, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to sign up for that link below so you can know, be the first to know when we're going to launch these dashboards. Again, I'll show you the dashboard so you can give an idea. You'll have an idea of when we will launch, but also the first 25 people will get early access to these dashboards. And so if you love them, girl, go ahead and get in line, because I like them a lot. I hope you do too. Okay, y'all. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.